guess what? I'm getting a dirt bike. It's gonna be really, 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 really cool. Yes. It's gonna be pretty cool. It's a 125 cc. I'm not sure if it's an SSR or something. No, it's manual. It goes up to 60 miles per hour. I'm gonna be like, excuse me, old man. Can you please get out of my way? He's gonna go, excuse me. Okay, Sonny. I'll move. I'll be like, excuse me, old man. I'm gonna go. Whoa, it's bumpy, bro. I'll be like, I'm gonna see an old man. Get the hell out of my way, you fatty! And then go be, excuse me, young man. I am not large. I am overweight. And I'm gonna be like, excuse me. Whoa, this is a little bumpy. Oh crap. What was that? Are you okay there? I have some broken bones. Oops. That's why you should not get me a dirt bike. Well, I totally agree with the dirt bike. It's a great idea. I wouldn't hurt anyone. Yep.